Alrighty, YouTubers, thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for watching. I cannot believe this happened. Much appreciated to everybody that has subscribed to my channel so far last year. It's been a hectic one. Doing 2 channels and everything else now, helping others out. So I'm gonna give back. This is what I'm giving away. And it is the Samsung Qled 75-inch class 8K Ultra HD TV. And if you guys want to buy one, I'll leave the link down below. But simple rules to enter. If the comments are turned on, all you gotta do is drop a comment down below, share this video, like, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell. Also, since my other channel got hacked, that is Stout79, follow me on my Instagram channel right there, and drop a comment on this post right here that is still going live. So all you gotta do, hit the subscribe button on the YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram and turn the notification bell on and comment down below, and then I'll pick one winner once this COVID stay home is over with for us. So definitely hit me on the Instagram up, drop a comment below, say you're there for the giveaway, and we are rolling. So thank you guys so much. Much appreciated, especially in a time like this. So hopefully you guys are being home, staying safe. But thank you so much. And I just applied for the 1 million subscriber mark. So that should be coming soon, maybe. But with everything going on, it might be a delay for it. So like I said, if the comments are not turned on, go on my Instagram, hit the follow button, give me a follow, and that's pretty much it. Like I said, this is going to be for the Samsung QLED 8K 75-inch they got going on at Amazon right now. So thank you guys for watching. Be safe. See you guys soon.